one.
Going almost every day and like just walking there.
파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 네 손엔 나에게 준 chocolate I'm feeling so good.
Got a veggie burger. So good.
You already made my day. 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌.
My hair is so frizzy because I was walking in the rain. But I was walking and I saw this really cute place. So I thought I would just stop by for a drink. I think one of like my favorite things is coming to like new places and just looking through their cocktail menu and just seeing like what they put together. It's just so fun. And I love the names. They're always so creative with their names. Like, meet me at 4th and Ocean. I will be there. Wake up. Look at this drink. It looks so good. Oh my god, it's a watermelon ball.
This is a vibe. I need to stop saying that. I keep saying that, but I can't stop saying that because it's a vibe. Like, look at this. I'm literally walking alone in the rain, and it's like hot, like the perfect temperature. Yeah, I'm listening to music. I'm having the best time of my life. I'm really not an introvert at all. I'm really extroverted, but these days I've just been finding joy and doing things alone. It's when my friends and like loved ones are busy, I choose to do things alone. But I don't know, it's the best. I think when you really spend time doing things alone, then when you are with friends and loved ones, you bring the best version of yourself, and you're ready to kind of like be there for them the way that you're there for yourself. You have to take care of yourself first before you can even be there for someone else fully.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This is the situation right now. I'm attempting to unpack. I literally packed half my closet and I only stayed for like one full day. And I barely wore any of my clothes. Like, I really regret it. And this is the laundry situation. And I have to add more because I haven't even unpacked.
파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 네 손엔 나에게 준 chocolate I'm feeling so good. 눈에 보이는 모든 게 You already made my day. 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌.
have to order more. So pretty. More. Look who just got a bath.
But I just won. Tell them what you just said. I'm extremely consistent. And I said I extremely suck.
I'm gonna go take Saint for a hike at the Silver Lake Reservoir where I've been going almost every day and like just walking there. I'm gonna eat this on the hike.
We were going uphill, so he's tired.